Okay, this video I'm going to talk about truth table for conjunction and disjunction with two letters or two variables, two events or two statement. Okay, so two statement it will make compound as you clearly see. Now, two events will have how many cases? Two events will always have how many cases? Four cases, right? Four cases. Now, if you have a four cases, we are going to have this combination here. Okay, so these are the four cases: true, true, false, false, true, false, false, true. And earlier video we learned how to construct the base. This is always base for two letters is always going to be like that, four cases. Now we are being asked to find the conjunction and another example, disjunction. So well, how do we fill it out actually? So we have a phi, yes, we have a q, there's no negation, so we don't need any extra column. So whatever is down here, well, some student write down, step one here, rewrite it 1, 2, and put down 3 here. That is going to be answer column. But this time no negation, so we clearly see is visible. We just compare these two with an and actually. So let's make sure we understand this here. So phi is a statement. What is the statement? Statement, I'm going to make up one here. I'm going to say, you know what? You take the test today. Tomorrow, Q, I will grade for you. So you are saying that up here, true means you took the test, you promise you took the test, and I promise I will grade. So you take the test, I grade. So none of us break the promise. So this is a true. So right or is going to be, in this case, is going to be true. Right here is going to be true. Now, next one, you take the test. I did not grade it. I broke my promise. So therefore it's a false. Okay. Now, you didn't take the test. I graded. You get 0. Unfortunately. So guess what? You break the promise. So the statement is false. Now this one, you didn't take the test. I didn't actually grade it. None of us actually kept the promise. So we broke the promise. Therefore it's false here. Okay. So in other words, if you have a same letter, it's happening same time, then it's basically true. Okay. So next one here. This one is same thing. Phi and Q, two letters. We're going to have four cases clearly. So now we're going to compare with this phi and Q. Same example I'm going to use. You take the test or I grade it. One is not really depend on another one actually here. Okay. So if one is true, is going to be true, or means it's independent actually. So it's going to be obviously it's going to be true. Okay. Now if I work out on this one, you take the test, I didn't grade it. So you take the test or I didn't grade it. Well, it's possible. You take the test, you kept your promise. So or I didn't grade it. So or, so one is not depending. You took the test, so it still is true. Down here is true. Now this one, you didn't take the test, I grade it. So yes, you didn't take the test, I can still grade it. So it is true actually. Okay. Now or you didn't take the test or I didn't grade it, so this is not, this is false. False here, as you see. So what we learn here is in this actually video on this lecture, basically we learn basically these are the shortcut actually we can come up with. So conjunction is true only when both phi and q are true. Both phi and q are true, conjunction is true. Otherwise all of them are false. Now disjunction is true if P and Q, both of them are true, or any one of them are true. Okay, so phi is true, Q is true, or both is true. Only time is going to be false is if both of them false. That's the time is going to be false. Okay, up here only time is going to be true when both of them are true. So clearly you see. Again, and means intersection, both has to happen at the same time, or one, they can happen simultaneously. Or means this one, or means they can happen simultaneously. Both sides, two events can happen at the same time. So if none of them is happening, of course it's false. If one is happening, it's really true, the event is going. I can make up more example. It's raining, Okay, it's raining and you are in a classroom. Okay, so it can happen at the same time. So it's true. It's raining, you are not in a classroom. So it happened. It's not raining, you are in a classroom. So yes, that could be correct. It's not raining, you are not in a classroom. Yes, that is not happening. This is false here. Okay, so I hope you understand about the conjunction and disjunction for two events, independent or two letters, two statements. Thank you.